I just heard that Emma Stone recently swore by the gelatin trick to get ready for her latest movie role, and I have to say, I'm intrigued. Apparently, she's been using it to improve her digestion and wake up feeling more refreshed. As someone who's always on the lookout for simple, effective wellness hacks, I decided to dive deeper into the gelatin trick and see what all the fuss is about. It turns out, it's ridiculously easy to make. Just mix some unflavored gelatin with water and lemon juice, and you're good to go. My friend has been doing the gelatin trick for a while now, and she says it's been a total game changer for her energy levels and overall health. She loves that it's just a simple daily ritual, using basic ingredients from her kitchen, and that it's helped her drop that heavy feeling after meals. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for a super easy recipe to get you started. And if you have any questions, I've got a pinned comment below with some helpful tips. Head on over, and let's get started with the gelatin trick today.